Outstanding design defines the 2020 Ram 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated and ventilated seats both front and rear, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and voice-activated navigation. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.